Welcome. Today we're taking a closer look at the Montessori red rods, what they are, why they matter, and how they support children's development through purposeful, hands-on work. The red rods belong to the sensorial area of the Montessori classroom. Sensorial materials are designed to isolate a single quality, such as size, shape, or weight, so that children can clearly perceive and understand it. The red rods are simple but powerful. Each rod is identical except for length, increasing by 10 centimeters each time. This clear progression allows children to visually and physically experience length. Children are usually introduced to the red rods after working with earlier sensorial materials, such as the knob cylinders, the pink tower, and the brown stair. These preliminary works help prepare the child's eye, hand, and mind for more complex discrimination. The primary purpose of the red rods is to refine the child's understanding of length through both sight and movement. Along the way, children also strengthen coordination, concentration, and early mathematical thinking. In the basic presentation, the rods are laid out from longest to shortest, forming a stair. If a rod is placed incorrectly, the child can visually detect the disharmony, allowing for self-correction. The presentation emphasizes care and intention. Carrying each rod individually and aligning them carefully supports the child's developing concentration, coordination, and also a respect for the material itself. Once the child is familiar with the red rods, many extensions are possible. These variations challenge balance, coordination, and even tactile perception, keeping the work engaging and developmentally rich. The red rods may look simple, but they do essential work. They prepare the child for future mathematical concepts while reinforcing independence, focus, and confidence in their own perception. How have you seen children engage with the red rods? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms for more content. See you next time.